you deleted a file in a Teams channel? Don't panic. SharePoint keeps it for up to 93 days. Here's how to get it back. Every channel stores its files in SharePoint, which has a recycle bin. So first open the channel in SharePoint. In Teams, go to your channel, click the three dots and choose Open in SharePoint. In SharePoint, select Recycle Bin. Search for your file or your files, select it and click Restore. It will now return to its original folder. If you don't see your deleted file in here, maybe check the second stage recycle bin. If you're a team owner or site admin, you can restore items that were removed from the first bin. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.